Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share my art journey with you as I draw Pain from Naruto. This character holds a special place in my heart, and I can't wait to bring him to life on paper. Now, let me introduce you to the process of drawing Pain from Naruto. This character is known for his intricate design, especially the striking Rinnegan eyes. We'll focus on capturing his unique features and essence through our artwork. Before we dive into the drawing process, let's go over the materials you'll need. Make sure to gather your paper, pencils, erasers, and any reference images of Pain from Naruto to help guide you through the sketching. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide on drawing Pain. Begin by sketching the outline of his face and body, paying close attention to proportions. Then, add in the details of the Rinnegan eyes, his piercings, and other distinctive features. Don't forget to shade to add depth and dimension to your drawing. Now, let's move on to the demonstration. I'll show you each step of the drawing process in real time, so you can follow along easily. Feel free to pause and rewind as needed to ensure you're capturing all the details correctly. As we progress, I want to share some tips and best practices with you. Achieving the right proportions is key, as well as experimenting with different shading techniques to enhance your drawing. Focus on capturing the essence of Pain to make your artwork truly stand out. Next up, let's address some common troubleshooting issues you may encounter. Whether it's smudging, incorrect proportions, or difficulties with specific details, I'll provide you with solutions and workarounds to overcome these challenges. As we reach the conclusion of our tutorial, let's recap the key steps we covered today. I'll reveal the final drawing of Pain, and I must say, I'm incredibly satisfied with how it turned out. I hope you are too. Lastly, I want to encourage you to try drawing Pain yourself. Share your artwork with me on social media, and don't forget to subscribe for more art tutorials and character drawings from Naruto. I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for joining me on this art journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills and expressing your creativity. Until next time, happy drawing!